So, hi Sharanya, welcome to Startup Munch. How are you?
Good. How are you, Bhavik? And thanks for having
I'm,
us. This
yeah,
is a wonderful opportunity, I believe.
I'm doing great. Thank you, Sharanya. So, I saw your Pentad Academy, and I would say it is a great initiative you have taken in the education system. So, first of all, I really thank you for choosing this system, like education system, which is I believe it is most important in today जहाँ पे education system इतना costly हो गया है, and still we see that gap, like जितने भी formal education है academics में वहां पे I saw that there is a gap of people always go for grade marks and academic, but there you have identified this gap and you try to bring the skill development and intelligence. So tell us about your startups, about more about your Pentad Academy and how you started, and what is the different, we know the different, but exactly what differentiation is there as a formal education in academics?
Right. Thank you. Um, so basically, you see, if you take education for that matter, irrespective of how long we go and how further we go, our education system, the method what we use has to get evolved. It has to be made relevant to for that generation. Right.
Right,
In last
right.
15 years alone, while we have not changed much, we see that there are Gen Alpha who are coming in, who are now
Mm-hmm.
we have Gen Beta coming in,
Correct.
and इनके हिसाब से हम नहीं पढ़ा सकते तो those kids will not be interested anymore है
Right.
ना because we learned in school where having a TV or a screen in the school itself was a big deal, but
Mm-hmm.
nowadays don't bring Alexa in, there is no learning there. And there is
Correct.
that joke which went around that when you're in school you might mistakenly call your teacher as mom or ma, but these days
Mm-hmm.
kid call your teacher as Alexa and ask for the question. So it is important that we keep changing the method we teach. And
Okay.
multiple intelligence is one of the method which was brought in a long time ago, but it is not well established. एंड इंडिया में तो किसी को पता भी नहीं चलता कि ऐसा एक सिस्टम है, राइट?
Mm-hmm.
अगर आप बीएड में पढ़ रहे हैं तो एक लाइन में एक पेज में ये खत्म हो जाता है कि देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड मल्टीपल इंटेलिजेंस, बट नोबडी इज अप्लाइंग इट, एंड इट्स वेरी a vast product to be even applied in a classroom very easily, and that's the gap we are trying to fill. So
Okay.
एक क्लासरूम में आपको ये हो सकता है कि a child could be your 40 numbers of students could
Mm-hmm.
be of types of intelligence, and to teach to each type of intelligence, it becomes a bit hectic, and that's the gap we are trying to cover for the teachers, where we are creating activities, we are creating models and storytelling and theaters and music and all these things for the teachers to use it to teach their children. And
Okay.
we are building it for everybody from kindergarten to 12th standard, all subjects. And
So
initially,
right, right. I just wanted to know about the intelligence you told. So, intelligence, you have a different type. You are working on different intelligence, or एक ही सबके लिए होगा, or how it is? It is like general, or the 40 member, if they're in the class, how would be a different for different, like based on the personality. Am I right? You are.
right. So now what happens is, as per the multiple intelligence
Hmm.
theory, there were eight different types of intelligence. Howard
Okay.
Gardner is the one who proposed it. He proposed eight different types of intelligence. There is musical intelligence, naturalistic
Okay.
intelligence, visual, kinesthetic, linguistic, logical, personal. That is, personal can be in two types. That is interpersonal and intrapersonal. Interpersonal is me being self-aware about
Correct.
myself, and
Mm-hmm.
intrapersonal is me being aware of others' behavior.
Mm-hmm.
So now any child could possess all of this. I have all of these intelligence within me. You have all of these intelligence within you. Only thing is the average or the range at which you possess it might be different. You might be musically higher intelligent. Let's say out of 100, I can score it as 80 for you. It will be
Mm-hmm.
40 for me. My logical or interpersonal intelligence might be in 80 for me, and it might be 60 for you. So it will vary for each person, but that doesn't mean that you have only one type of intelligence. You'll have every single person will have all of them, but in different ranges.
Level,
Now,
different
what
range and level. Yeah, got it.
Correct. So what you do is you take your highest intelligence, whichever is the top ones, whichever is 80 and above, 90 and above, you take that and you learn through that. As per this theory, the intelligence basically is how you learn. If you are a logical person and I
Right.
keep telling you all the emotional fact of it, you'll never believe me. I
Correct.
will be able to make you understand something. If you are a visual person and I keep talking to you over and over again, you'll never understand it. When I draw a map or a flow chart, it will make it easy for you to learn. So that's
Hmm.
what intelligence is. So how do you learn?
Okay.
Now, knowing that these are your intelligence, teaching the children in that method becomes easy for us to explain the concept.
Okay.
So that's where
So
we come in, and that's how we solve this.
great, great. I just wanted to know, like, how you are helping through Pentad Academy to your schools, or you are doing online, or you how what is the method you have adopted and you are doing it?
Right. So we have two plus one product. One
Okay.
is the multiple intelligence test, a
Okay.
test which you can come to us, take the test, and we'll give you a report which tells you what is the child's intelligence or what is your intelligence, and how is that is going to benefit for you. How do you
Mhm.
use that to build your learner's journey for your child? If you're taking a test, the test report will tell you, like, for next 1 year, these are the things you could do with your children to improve their learning skills.
Right.
Then there is two other things. One is a kit we have, which a
Okay.
parent can buy at home along with our app. They can use this kit and learn through different intelligence type. So if you're learning Kannada with us, which is our product initially, Sukruti. So
Mm-hmm.
when you're learning that, you can learn Kannada through music, through puppet shows, through
Okay.
puzzles, through theater acts, and all of these. So
Mm-hmm.
the app will help you do that. So this is for an individual parent to use it at their house and learn, help the child learn. The second thing we do is for a school where we set up a lab. So for
Mm-hmm.
a school, we equip them with much more larger setup where a teacher can use all of these and teach Kannada to the children in their classroom. So these are
Okay.
the two ways we help.
So when you're when got it. So when you are associating with schools or to this type of institution, so they are how they are adopting your method. Like they are giving extra time for that, or they are including in any extra curriculum activities. How exactly the model works?
Right.
Yeah.
So in a school setup, what
Right.
happens is, let's say in a week they have four classes allotted for Kannada class, right?
Okay.
The
Mm-hmm.
three classes they would do their regular syllabus.
Mm-hmm.
One class will do our lab. So what
Mm-hmm.
happens here is, currently, like the basic version, what we have created the lab, it will help them learn the actual language. Now, in any language, not just Kannada, but any regional language in India, if you take, there is always the problem of understanding the spellings and
Correct.
understanding the sentence formation of it, because our language is much different than English, right? Because English is
Mm-hmm.
very different from our Indian languages. So the basic sentence formations and spellings are not captured in our regular syllabus. And
Okay.
as a school or a teacher, they are more forced, or inevitably they end up focusing more on finishing up the syllabus than to help with this basic versions, the basic understanding of spellings and these things. The worst case scenario or the best case scenario is we give them homework to write the word for 50 times. But how many words will the child learn, right? Building a vocabulary would not work like that.
Correct.
And in today's so that's why we made it like, you're gonna use your classes, out of the four, one class you'll spend it on pure language learning, where you understand how the spellings work and sentences work. Going forward, we are merging the syllabus and our classes together. So
Mm-hmm.
whatever you learn in the classroom, like you'll also have grammar classes in your this thing, your regular classes. So the grammar classes you can do it in our lab, and you'll have certain prose and poems in your syllabus. Those things you can start doing in our classrooms. So that is how we are doing it. Initially, we want to set the basic language first, and then we merge it with the syllabus.
So you talk about the one area like language, but you have like more than eight intelligence you told like you are working on. So इसके लिए इतने सारे classes में how to it is quite I believe it is quite difficult because you have to focus on the regular schools academic also. So ये सारे चीजें हम कैसे like school how the school will adopt this because everybody will be different, right? 40 students have a different IQ and this intelligence whatever you talk about.
Right,
तो
right.
उसको कैसे आप सॉल्व कर रहे हो प्रॉब्लम?
सो इसमें क्या होता है, जब क्लास शुरू होता है,
हम्म.
एवरी सेशन यू
ओके.
विल कवर एटलीस्ट थ्री इंटेलिजेंस, which means
ओके.
that you will actually in the class when you're doing this you will cover all the intelligence. So
हम्म.
inevitably एक बच्चे तो irrespective of what intelligence they come through, they
हम्म.
would have done this activity and they would have learned it,
ओके.
right?
ओके.
So
ओके.
that is one way to take this forward, and that's how our lab is designed, where you come in, you will try all the intelligence. And it
हम्म.
so happens, if the child is a logical intelligent and there is a puzzle which will teach the child how the letter formation work and all that,
हम्म.
so they the child obviously will be like, I want to play this, and they're going to continue. So their
हम्म.
intelligence is growing along with it, right? There's going to be a music session in the class, so you're going to learn music and you're going to learn the language along with it. So inevitably you will end up learning the subject, irrespective of which intelligence you try, because all the eight would be given to you during the classroom. But for a general purpose, if any teacher would like to apply this in their classroom, what they can try is, when they take the test for like all the 40 kids, there might be a chance that there are top 3 intelligence for the overall class.
Right, right.
So there might be, the entire class might be musically intelligent or visually intelligent, or
Hmm.
some other intelligence. So you take that and you follow those methods more in your classroom. You
Hmm.
don't have to do all the eight,
Right,
right?
got it.
So it second thing is, it has to match with the teacher's intelligence also. The teacher is also visually intelligent, and
Correct.
most of the students are visually intelligent. Then start doing the classes in your visual methods, so that
Mhm.
will be more easier for you to apply this in a classroom. So yeah.
Okay. I have seen nowadays, like as you said, so you are doing B2B with you are collaborating with the schools, and you have a B2C product as well. Like somebody will buy and uh, they can use it. But home setup में कैसे आप लोग how you people are guiding, if somebody has taken the kit from you, just give me a briefly
Right.
idea.
So in home
क्योंकि मैं
setup,
सबसे पहले मैं ही खरीदने वाला हूँ. I really want to learn Kannada language,
definitely,
like
we'll do that.
to be more
We
frequent. हाँ.
just so you know, what the kits what we have made is for 3 to 8 year old children, but we
Okay,
are working on a book for adults, where they can learn Kannada through our book.
correct.
So maybe once it is ready, we'll definitely get in touch
So
with
it
you.
is only a books or you have different design the kit
So,
something puzzles
one
or
of the things about a book is, it comes with a pen which scans the content on the book, and it reads out loud for you.
hmm.
So all you need to do is touch it, and it'll have an image or a sentence. You'll know what the sound looks like. So if I
Okay.
write the letter, when you
Hmm.
touch it, it'll say ah, then it'll say e, and all that. So you'll know how the letters work, right? So it
Okay.
is self-learn book. So that
Mhm.
will definitely help you. You wouldn't need a
Mhm.
teacher or somebody else with you for that. Maybe a friend who speaks Kannada should be good enough for that. So our kit is also equipped with the same pen. So what happens there is, the children don't have to bother their parents, and the parent don't have to bother with Google Translate to understand what is happening in the what's written in the book. The pen
Mhm.
will read it out loud, and we have images which will tell you what the image is reading. Let's say if I say ane, you will have an image of an elephant which will tell you that this is what the meaning is, and ane will be read out by the pen. So it's kind of self use for a child. It's a game which they can just touch and read the thing. And if they want to, we have a poem which will sing when you touch that thing, so you sing along with that pen and learn the language. So the kit is designed in such a way that we don't need too much of parent involvement in it, but they can the child themselves can try this out in their house and use it. So
Yeah.
that's how we are
Okay.
using it.
Okay. So, Sharanya, actually, I have identified one very big problem nowadays because you being a family, I know like every child, if you see today's, uh, they use mobiles, okay? और खाना खाना है तो मोबाइल कुछ भी मतलब दे आर स्पेंडिंग लाइक टाइम इवन वी स्पेंड टाइम सो मैं समटाइम्स आई थॉट लाइक as you have a different kind of kit how we can design some a fun or a game or puzzle something like that कि बच्चे मोबाइल से डिसोसिएट होके they can use this kind of instrument so have you thought on that like design or something कि इतना compel कर दे बच्चे को कि instead of mobile they can use this and they can learn something so do you have any idea or your
I'm so glad you asked me that question, because
yeah.
our app, what we have designed, it
Mm-hmm.
doesn't let you stay on the app and do things. What the
Mm-hmm.
app will tell you is, here's a game which you can play
Mm-hmm.
naturalistically, right? Go to the park with an adult and find four things, which I'll give a list of, right?
Okay.
I will say find Arlilu. Arlilu is a squirrel, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now the child, what does the child do now? When I say find an squirrel, the child
Mm-hmm.
will immediately put the phone down and will start running around the
Right.
thing.
Correct. Correct. Hmm.
So just like that, we have a way we can create a puzzle. So at home,
Mm.
they can the parent can get a printout and they can cut it off and give it to the child, and it will
Mm.
just say that put the puzzles together. So
Okay.
now again, when the child is working with the puzzle, they have to put the phone aside and build this. So we have designed the app in such a way that it's not going to make the child sit with the app, but it's
Mm-hmm.
going to tell you, go out and play.
Okay.
Here's
So
something else you can play with.
he has to imagine. He has to visually see like around what exactly where I can find out. So it is actually a great initiative. So what is the your app name you told?
It's Skill Sprout.
Okay.
And right now, if you buy our kit, it will be available along with the kit.
Okay. So with Pentad Academy, you have app also that called as
Right.
Skills Sprout.
Skill Sprout. Yeah.
And so this Skill Sprout is only for the children or
It's for
currently
children.
okay.
Again, we because our initially, and see, to build content from kindergarten to 12th standard is a large
Correct, correct.
work. So we have started off with Kannada, and we are building it for up until fifth standard, is what we have
Mhm.
built for. And once this is complete, we'll get take up other subjects and languages. So because we have started off with Kannada, right now our app will support what is there in our kit and Kannada language. So going forward, as we add more product, more languages and more subject into it, we'll of course will be able to explore all subjects and all methods and in all different types of intelligence
Mhm.
you can have. So,
एक और प्रॉब्लम व्हेन आई थॉट अबाउट द एजुकेशन सिस्टम सो एक और प्रॉब्लम है जो वी एज अ वी नीड टू सॉल्व इट जैसे अभी आप देखोगे जितने भी एजुकेशन सिस्टम्स है ना ये कंटेंट फोकस हो गया कंटेंट फोकस मतलब दे विल जैसे मैं
hmm,
नाम नहीं लेना चाहता जो ऑनलाइन जितने भी
right.
प्लेटफॉर्म्स है if you see they are actually not make you to imagine visualize to learn
Hmm,
and
hmm,
that's where I believe your cows whatever you are doing at Pentad Academy it will be a really a great help for the people or children कि वो इमेजिन कर सके नो क्रिटिकल स्किल्स डेवलप कर क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग इमेजिनेशंस सो दीज आर एक्चुअली रियली रिक्वायर्ड क्योंकि हम आजकल देख रहे हैं क्या मोबाइल पे 30 सेकेंड्स वी गॉट टू नो एवरीथिंग बट एक्चुअल में आपने ना इमेजिन किया उसको ना कुछ जस्ट
correct.
आपने बस देख लिया रील्स को कंटेंट फोकस हो गया एंड
Hmm,
हाँ यू थॉट यू नो बट एक्चुअल यू डोंट नो द बिहाइंड द स्टोरी लाइक बिहाइंड एवरी हमारे स्कूलिंग टाइम में बहुत सारे ऐसे जो आउटसाइड होते थे वो अब नहीं है सो इट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू डिजाइन समथिंग वेयर द चाइल्ड और स्कूल्स में भी लोग दे इमेजिन कर सके विजुलाइज कर सके तो वो एक एक्चुअली में इंक्रीज करेगा उनका क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग सो इट्स रियली अ ग्रेट initiative I would say Sharanya and you are doing it so you've been doing this from last 7 years I guess
Yeah, 8 7 years, yes.
Yeah. So I just wanted to know about something like not at Pentide Academy, your personal journey. Like you've been into microbiology, फिर ऐसे how you started this? What was the uh, the inspiring things you would have come across or you started this? So could you please tell us
Well,
about your journey at?
I I think when I was in my school, so if some when somebody asked me, like, इस camp book में पूछते कि what do you want to be, what is your motto,
Hmm.
I had written archaeologist, sorry, cardiologist.
Oh.
So later, when I was in my master's, like master's in microbiology,
Hmm.
I remember professor telling me, you should become a teacher. I was like, why would I become a teacher? My idea was to become, PhD karke, I'll be some research person or something like that. So I never
Hmm.
imagined I would be a entrepreneur or into education or anything. But it so happened that serendipitously, because of a friend who wanted to start a venture in education, I was supposed to be a partner with her, a silent partner, where I give her help her financially, and she will run the show, and I'll just sit back and continue with my microbiology work. But
Hmm.
somehow I stumbled into it, and I ended up taking up the whole thing and started running. And
Okay.
when I was doing this, we had actually initially taken up a franchise, which uh, was not doing justice for what I actually wanted to do.
Hmm.
And it pushed me to learn more about how education can be taken forward. How do you teach? What are the different pedagogies? How does education would work? Like in a classroom, how do you manage and teach a child? That's where I came across multiple intelligence. And by the time where we thought, okay, let's take this up and start doing this as a full-time thing, we because of the pandemic we had to close down.
Hmm.
And एक साल तो घर में बैठना ही था, तो I thought, okay, let me read up more on multiple intelligence. So
Hmm.
I got information like content क्या है, कैसे सिखाते हैं, ये I understood. But
Hmm.
then to turn this into a business again, I was not very good at that. So that's
Hmm.
when I got myself into a PGP course with IIM
I
in
am Bangalore.
yeah,
Sorry, I am Ahmedabad,
Indore,
right?
Indore, yeah, Indore,
Yeah.
Indore.
अच्छा, okay, it
So
is Indore.
huh.
My mistake, sorry.
So okay. So there, the whole idea was that you bring your idea and we'll tell
Mhm,
you how to turn it into a business. That was the course, and it was perfect for me. I had an idea, and that's exactly what I wanted, and it
mhm,
did help me out to come up with a proper, a business plan for what I wanted to do. And the same idea I took it to IIM Bangalore NSR cell,
mhm.
and we got incubated for 2 years. And usme again, it got polished, and we got better
Correct.
informations, and we came to a better idea of how this can be looked at.
Mhm,
And with that, again, that gave me one more boost towards Karnataka Elevate, where we got
mhm.
funded
Funded.
by the Karnataka government.
Yeah.
And that's where we started off with Sukruti
Yeah, I
Center.
wanted to talk about NSRCL, like how you incubated and it's been like you told you two-year journey. So how was the experience at NSRCL? Because I have visited two three times.
Okay, okay.
I met almost so many founders there. I told you like I interviewed also some of the founders
Mm-hmm.
from my podcast as well. So it's a great platform I would say, and NSRCL is one of the biggest in India, like incubator in terms
True,
of
true.
incubator. Yeah.
Yes. Mm.
So you got selected. So first of all, congratulations. And now it's been
Thank
two
you.
years. So yeah, tell us about that environment, like how they teach you
Right.
or help you through like go to market
Mm,
strategy or product development का कैसे वहाँ पे क्या
mm.
आपने सीखा वहाँ से?
Right. I would honestly say that my
Hmm.
journey of learning these things started from Indore, right?
Okay.
So there also the course helped us figure out a lean canvas. I think
Hmm.
as if anybody plans for business, the first thing they need to learn is lean canvas.
Hmm.
वो सीखते सीखते you'll know that you can figure out any problem, anything, any ideas, any plans you want to have, or where you have to focus. Everything will be sorted by lean canvas. And this is something NSRCL also focuses initially. When you get in, the first thing they make you do is lean canvas. So
Hmm.
I got into the program called Women Startup program, and we were the batch 4.
Okay.
And there what happened is we had currently the plan, the way WSP runs is very different from how we did. We were the last batch who did 2 years of course. These
Mm.
days they make it shorter, in 3 months may you can finish it off, and it's very more focused onto the field.
Okay.
So that's, I
Mm.
think now it's a better version what they have than what
Mm-hmm.
we had. So there, you what happens is they start with lean canvas. They tell you how you can come up with an idea for a business. And there were a lot of us who didn't even have an idea. I wanted to do a business.
Mm.
What business? Nobody had a clue. So there were people who came without an idea also, who walked in and who got a chance to identify what is a business they are good at, and how do you pick the right business for yourself.
Mm.
And then you get into the lean canvas, and then you get into the pre-incubation stage. And in pre-incubation, again, we got to understand about market fit, product market fit, and how do you validate your ideas and all that. From
Mm-hmm.
there, when you get incubated, gets things get very intense.
Easy.
We go to market. No, no, it
Acha.
actually gets difficult for you, because
Okay.
now it was all, I'm learning, so I don't know anything. Now it's like,
Mm.
it, start executing it.
Okay.
And
Right.
that's when you start seeing the actual practical problems you go
Mm-hmm.
through, right?
Right.
So it's fun to learn all these things, but when it comes to apply, I mean, as an entrepreneur, I believe anybody will see these things as a challenge and a fun way to handle it, and get worked up when you are faced with a challenge. To you get that passion to solve it. So the
Mm-hmm.
more you learn, the more you explore, your product becomes better and better, right?
Right.
Your business plan becomes better and better.
Mm-hmm.
And once that happens, then you get to the place where you know how to move forward, right? So one of the best thing I think we learn there is, how do you plan, like every 1 month, 2 month, 3 months. It's not just about the quarter, but how do you plan your future is something a roadmap. Setting a roadmap is a very important concept in when it comes to business.
Correct.
And
Correct.
before you do that, you should know where you are right now. So to
Mm-hmm.
figure that out, they will equip you with tools. Like
And
I
you
said,
have multiple peers. So many peers will eventually help you to,
oh my God.
Right.
I mean, we are into the WSP 4, and we are
Mm.
the biggest cohort they have for women startup. We are around 300 women. And I'll tell you, the cohort is the best thing I've got out of this NSRCL, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mentors are there, the team is there, and I can connect with them anytime I want. But I'll tell you, the cohort, what we have is just amazing. Women supporting each other. And the thing is that with not just the WSP, but the entire NSRCL, I can just ping anybody and ask, like, I'll tell you, we do toys out of wood. And I was looking for manufacturers who could do wooden toys and all that. All I had to do is ping, put a message, I'm looking for wooden toy makers, do you know anybody? You wouldn't believe it, I got 10 phone numbers within first 5 minutes of that message.
Mm-hmm.
10 different manufacturers, right? So
Okay.
this community gives you that,
Correct.
right? Immediately I can call and I can get to work. And very basic, like, oh, I'm thinking of opening a current account, which bank is the best? You get review out of 400 people saying that this bank is better, this bank is better, this is what I get, these are the features I get. So
Mm-hmm.
this community actually gives you a very good insight, and they solve that tiny problems of I just want a bank account, where do I go? If not, you'll have to sit and contemplate all your by yourself. And an entrepreneur journey is very lonely, right? No
Mm-hmm.
matter how big your team is, and no matter who's doing what, and how much expertise they bring in, end of the day, making that decision of how do you go further is always on the person who's running, the founder or the co-founders. So it's always a soul journey. So the cohort actually gives you that support system. It
Right.
creates that support system. And for you to get incubated in any place, this is what you should majorly look for: the
Mm-hmm.
team, the cohort, the support system, what you can get out of there.
Okay. I'll just pause for 1 minute. So yeah, Sharanya, just wanted to know from you, like, अगर कोई जैसे incubator कोई startups कर रहा है, then how to get it into NSRCL, और ऐसे incubators जो रहते हैं, how to apply and how you have applied. So tell me about that. Yeah.
So NSRCL as such has a website, and everybody has a
Okay.
website these days.
Mm-hmm.
So the simplest way is to go onto the website. They have a form for you to fill. They have a
Mm-hmm.
program list. So check for your eligibility, fill the form. You need to upload a pitch deck. So
Okay.
before you apply for any incubator,
Mm-hmm.
start with the pitch deck. And again, you will have many videos, your YouTube videos and other things which will help you out to come up with how do you do a pitch deck, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you get ready with your pitch deck, and you can go to these websites and apply it there. One of the things we need to focus on when we
Mm-hmm.
select an incubator is make sure they serve your field, right?
Okay.
Now NSRCL is more sector agnostic. Anybody can apply, and they have support for
Yeah.
most of the fields. But there might be few incubators who are specific to certain fields,
Certain
those are
area,
into
healthcare
AI and
or
those kind of
yeah,
things.
correct.
Correct.
EdTech.
So
Um,
you can also pick those.